I'm thankful for the opportunity to work with Trella Trio. I've learned a lot from them. Since I'm a keyboardist, I don't often get a chance to sing. When we are choosing the songs, we have to consider a theme and how everything links up together that is conducive for the audience members in City Square.
Before NAFA, I did have a bit of a pop background, so you'll see me jumping around from like drum set to electric guitar to pads to shaker and even to voice for this concert. So that was definitely a nice change of pace from the daily classical setting where I pretty much only play piano in NAFA.
So it was very insightful, not just for the students but for me as well, to see the talents of the NAFA students. When they thought about the arrangements, it was both ways working together really well. They were very open-minded in terms of learning new things as well. They learned how to be adaptive on the spot, on how to be open to their styles of playing, or their styles of arranging. And I guess tapping into like the different genres of music that they may not specialize in gives you insight of what is usually done traditionally versus a contemporary context, and maybe learning a bit of that could inspire them to do better in whatever they're doing.